Hey YouTube, it's Mr. B from Pint of Stuff here, and we're going to be doing another sneaker unboxing today. However, we are a little bit late. We're about 6 months late actually with these. And as you know from the title, you know that these are a Nike SB Air Jordan 1 Low Quick Strike. They're the Eric Koston, well, the shoe that Eric Koston was wearing way back in June, and they're actually the midnight navy colorway. And just so we do all of the stuff that we normally do, they are a UK 10.5, that's a 10.5, 11.5 in the US. They're women's 13, and the code is CJ7891400. We kind of unboxed these on stream probably about 6 months ago, but I've been saving them because I thought they were so nice that I wanted to do a proper unboxing. So this is probably going to be a short video, just so you know, so don't worry. And we will get back to shoes that are more up to date than this one very, very soon. Right, so we've got sneaker unboxing, let's do it. If you haven't subscribed, just somewhere down there, don't forget to hit that old notification bell. Of course, if you're on Instagram, we're Pint of Stuff. We do tend to feature your stuff on Sneaker Streaming Sundays, that's every Sunday night at 12 PM on the West Coast, 8 PM in the UK, and about 3 PM on the East Coast, but you don't care about that right now. These, everyone, they're very nice. We got them out last time and we didn't really do a lot with them. We unboxed them on stream. So just to tell you how long ago this was, the invoice is from, I'm sure it's June. It's the 17th of June 2019. And today's date, in case you're watching this in another time zone frame, another dimension, maybe dimension 6 or something. What is today's date?
I knew you were going to say that.
Is it like the 19th of January or something? It's the 19th of January 2020. So these were from June 2019. So anyway, SJ, let's have a look at them. Eric Koston rocked them loads. I saw some people wearing them, some people on Instagram wearing them. Right, we're going to flick to the overhead camera, SJ. That is a very nice shoe. We're going to spin it there. Look at it. It is so good. Of course, because it's got that Jordan piece to it, the Jordan see the lace bag still attached. We've got this as well. We've got the shoe tree. And of course, I'll just flip it over for you up there so you can see the whole thing. Right, SJ, what we've got everyone. So the first major thing, it's obviously a Jordan 1 Low. It's not a Dunk, although it does look very similar. It looks a lot lighter than the Dunk, actually. We've got the Jumpman on the toe box. Well, I think it's supposed to be red, but under these lights, it looks pink. And then we're going to have a look on the inside, because they are still the Eric Koston, and this was something that I hadn't actually noticed, SJ, on the unboxing when we did it on stream, because we only did it very, very quickly. Right, we're going to undo this. You can see, it says Eric Koston there, so you can see that really well. In fact, why don't we, because that's looking so good under those lights, a bit bright, I know. So this is silver. And we can see the Jumpman there. Let's have a look at that. There, that's nice. And then let's have a look. We've got the wings on the back. Yeah, and this suede is super nice. So you can see that already. SJ, for you, come down here. This suede is really nice. I hadn't noticed when we first got them out. And we've got like a really nice leather here. It's quite hard, but it feels nice. Same on the toe box. I think that's going to soften really well. And then we've got like this fabric silver here. I think it's probably not fabric. I think it's plastic probably, or some PVC or something, but it feels nice. It's got a nice texture to it. On the inside, so we've got Nike SB there. There we go on the sole. And then of course, on the heel there, we've got the wings. I don't know why I've not worn these. I think at the time, and if we have a look there for you everyone, have a look. Can you see the tongue? Come on you, focus.
I know why we didn't do a proper unboxing.
Why?
Or anything. Because if you bought these on the 17th of June, we'd just come back from LA and I'd screwed my ankle.
Ah, yes, it's all coming back to me now. It's all coming back to me. So yeah, so we just come back from LA. In fact, I was going somewhere. I was going to Hong Kong. Like, I know you're not sure on the Jordan 1 Low, are you? But actually these are really nice. Why haven't we got these out before? Oh, they're so good. I think, looking at the alternate laces, so you've got like a SB bag there, you've got these blue flat laces. I think I'm going to stick with the blue. I don't think the contrast of the white really rocks it for me. I'm not feeling it. I just want to say to everyone, thanks for subscribing. I really do really appreciate everybody who's done that. We're trucking along, which is really nice. I just want to say, don't forget to join us on Sunday nights for Sneaker Streaming Sundays, where we get a bunch of people together, virtually of course. We get a bunch of people together and we chat about stuff, about what we've worn this week, what we've seen in the news, what you're wearing on Instagram, all of that stuff. Every Sunday, 12 p.m. on the West Coast, 8 p.m. in the UK, 3 p.m. New York East Coast sort of time. Not sure the time in Tokyo. It's super early in the morning. Same in Australia and Singapore. But yeah, so that's what we do. But something else that we're working on, everyone, something else that I'm trying to pull together is this. I originally called it Sneaker Skype and Stories. It doesn't really flow, and also I've got a feeling everyone that that Microsoft may actually have some issues with me using the word Skype in the title of something, so I thought I'd remove Skype and just call it Sneakers and Stories, which actually I think has got a better ring to it. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to link to a form somewhere up here. I'll put it up there somewhere, the form for you to sign up, because what it is really is it's kind of this podcasty thing, and it's just, it'll be me, you, yeah, you out there, me, you and SJ chatting, probably recorded on the Saturday. What I want to do is to record about 12 of them, and we'll just like talk about like your sneaker story, whatever that may be. I'll have a few rough questions to begin with, and we'll just chat, and it'll be kind of a little bit like how we chat in the chat on either Instagram on DM, or how we chat on the chat on Sneaker Streaming Sunday, but it'll actually be like just like two of us having a proper conversation. What I want to do is to get about 12 of those together at least, and then release them, and what I'll probably do is put them out on Saturdays or something. But the intention is that there'll be like a recording of it on YouTube, and then it'll be in all your usual podcasty places. But that's what I intend to do, whether that actually comes off. So thanks to everyone who's signed up so far. If you haven't signed up and you're kind of interested, I know loads of you out there have got some great sneaker stories, some great heritage to what you think about. Don't forget to sign up. So it's up there somewhere. I'll also put a link to it in the description below. And of course, if you've made it this far in the video, thank you. That's amazing. You've actually sort of coped with me rambling for a fair bit of time. But yeah, don't forget to subscribe. It's somewhere down there. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, or give it a thumbs down if you're not overly keen. And leave us a comment somewhere down there. I think, SJ, we'll have one last pan around the shoe, because I think it's super nice. And we'll move it like that. I can't get over this suede. Like, under these lights, I can really see this. Like, that is going, like, you can see the nap of it there. Spin it around. I can't believe I've not worn these. I can't believe it. I'm gonna have another go on the overhead. One for you on the overhead. It's such a great shoe. It's such a lovely, lovely shoe. It's so good. So we put them down there. And then I suppose that all that's for me to say is I'll see you all in the next video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later, people. Bye. Okay, SJ's just asked me if it's the same on the back. I think it is, with the Air Jordan, and it says Eric Koston there. It's got this lovely pink here. There's sort of a canvas on the inside, and then this sort of nylon on the outside, which is obviously from the Jordan 1 high. They're really good. These are sold out now, aren't they? You can't find them. You can't track them down. It's a shame. It's a good shoe. It's a really good shoe. SJ's just gonna, I know we've said bye, and don't forget, of course, if we're on the end card now, somewhere over here, another video from us will be appearing. Oh, that was, it was off. Yeah. Okay, wow. That's how bright these are, people. So yeah, don't forget the end card, somewhere over there's another video, and I will genuinely see in the next video. Oh, that's nice, isn't it? All right, we'll forget about the end card for the moment. I have a light over that way, somewhere up there, and normally we have a light here, and I've always thought it was a bit dark in here. But actually for this, look at that. That is super nice. Now I know this camera's a bit moody, and like I'm looking proper moody now. Okay everyone, I am genuinely leaving now. We're having a lighting moment here of just like a revelation. So yeah, the end card, check the videos out. I will put another Jordan type one there as well, but obviously YouTube's algorithm will totally recommend what they want to recommend. And we'll see you in the next video. Have another look-see.